Our garments do more than protect us from the world's woe. They also enable us to amplify our commitments. To wear clothes, then, is to convey one's spiritual, social, and even ethical priorities. Modesty is important because it allows us to focus on the things that are truly important, and it helps us to treat each other with respect. Being modest in our dress, speech, and behavior focuses our attention on honoring God instead of seeking the approval of others. Let's restore modesty. Nothing is more beautiful than a modestly dressed woman.